Hi guys, Lens here. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix all issues with your Zoom app, right? There's a lot of different issues when you want to start a meeting, not hearing song, all complications, right? You want to head over to your settings. You want to go to apps. You want to locate the Zoom apps, right? You go to Zoom. If you are getting problems where you can't use your microphone or you're getting issues there, you go to permissions. As you can see here, the permissions are off. You want to put on microphone, you want to put on your contacts. If you so desire, you want to put your camera. You also can put your calendar for scheduling of meeting and also your storage if needed. And you can also put other information there, and this is to fix those issues where you're unable to use your microphone or your camera, right? The other problems that you can encounter, if you're trying to join a meeting and you realize that you are getting an error code coming up, you want to head into storage, then you want to clear the cache, and you can try out the app again to see if it is working, or you can just clear the data. Clear the data will fix all the problems that you are encountering, all the issues that you are facing, guys. Then you go back and everything should be functional, everything should be working. And normally if you notice, it says Zoom is detected, allowing to send notifications, right? So we should be able to join a meeting, we should be able to put in the information, we should be able to sign in, we should be able to sign up, everything should work as it should. So guys, if you're still getting any problem, I advise you to uninstall the app, reinstall the app, and everything should be working, everything should be legit. Also make sure to update your app to the latest version as well. That is very highly important to fix all errors and complication that you may experience. So do like, share, and subscribe. I hope that this was helpful. For further assistance, guys, you can drop a comment down below and let me know what's happening. I'm out.